Hey, welcome back to another video here at Uncle Drunkle's. Let's go rip that damn dirt bike, huh? It's a beautiful sunny day here. We are cranking out power. I got the bike all charged up, fueled, oiled, and let's throw you on a chest mount. Let's rip this damn thing. Yeah, we're not gonna kickstart it. We're not gonna top start it. The grass is muddy still. Got done trimming up the yard with a little handsaw. Come on, we'll go up over here. Little mucky. Might not be too bad on the other side over here though. Once we get through this muck. Pretty mucky. Get out of here. Too mucky. You can see that there. Yee. Yucky. Another week or two of sun. Down in that frickin' ditch getting wet he is. Dirty little bastard. Oh, mud's gonna fly now. So we'll go real easy down the road, and then I'll rip it. little mud on my butt. It is what it is. Try to stay out of the mud. What's up, Buttercup? How you doing, Butterstuffs? All right, Cassandra, what you got going on, girl? All right, I gotta cut you loose, gotta cheat on the wife. I mean, talk to some internet friends. Hey, thanks for coming to join me for more stupid moments at Uncle Drunkles. We're ready to go out and start bidding jobs and doing work here Monday morning, drying out all my tools. My window's never been so clean. We got them all taken out of the porch here. So I'm just gonna clean up these screens here one of these days soon. And we're rocking and rolling, so appreciate you joining. Until next time, Uncle Drunkle out.